Welcome to Svedanika the kitchen. Today's recipe is prawns or shrimp dhum biryani. To prepare this scrumptious meal easily at home, follow this recipe. Watch the video till end without skipping to prepare biryani with perfect texture and color. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Without wasting time, let's get into our video. For this biryani, I am taking 250 grams peeled prawns or shrimp. For 250 grams shrimp, I am taking 500 grams basmati rice or long grain rice. Wash rice until water runs clear. Rice is washed. Now add water to soak rice. Soaking rice is very important step to make any biryanis or pulavs. Due to soaking, the grain cooks perfectly and long. We need minimum 20 minutes of soaking. So we soak rice before getting into next procedure. After soaking rice, fill a pot in which we are going to cook rice with water. Let the water heat while we prepare shrimp masala for biryani. Take a pot in which you are going to dum biryani. I am using heavy bottom pot. Add around 3/4 cup cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add dry masala. Star anise, cinnamon stick, cloves, bay leaf, mace, stone flower. Now add around 8 slit green chilies. I am adding Thai green chilies, which are relatively hot than regular ones. Add them according to your spice level. Saute until spices and chilies release their flavors in the oil. Don't burn them. Saute for around 30 to 40 seconds. Now add 2 cups thinly sliced onion. Onion should be sliced very thinly. Mix them in the oil with spices. Now add 1 teaspoon salt. Adding salt in this stage helps in cooking onion much faster. Saute in intervals until onion turns golden brown. You can see the color and texture of the onion. Here we need to stop sauteing and proceed to next step. Now add 6 to 8 cashews. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Saute until raw smell is gone and ginger garlic is cooked. Now add 2 cups finely chopped tomato. Saute until tomato is soft and cooked. Now tomato is cooked. Add washed and peeled shrimp or prawns. Here we are taking 250 grams of shrimp. Mix them with onion tomato masala. Let all the shrimp pieces coated with this masala. Now add chili powder. I'm adding around 3 teaspoons chili powder. Adjust according to your spice level. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. I have pounded peppers, fennel seeds and cardamoms into a coarse powder in mortar and pestle. Add this biryani masala mix. Mix everything until all spices are blended well. All the shrimp pieces should be coated well with this masala and spices that we have added now. Now all the shrimp pieces are coated with the masala and spices. Add half cup curd or yogurt. Mix well. While adding spices, I have reduced heat to low so that the gravy doesn't burn. And by reducing heat, curd blends well with gravy without breaking. As you see, curd is blended well with masala base. Now add half of the finely chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. It means half cup each. Half cup finely chopped mint leaves, half cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Two sprigs curry leaves. Squeeze half lemon or lime. Give it a good mix. Check the taste of the masala base and season it with salt accordingly. Since we have already added salt while sauteing onion, we need to check and season it accordingly. Mix well and let it cook on medium heat until rice is cooked. Now that the water is boiled at maximum temperature, add dry masala in water. Bay leaves, cinnamon, mace, star anise, cloves, stone flower and shahi jeera. Here I am not adding shahi jeera as I am running out of shahi jeera. Squeeze half lemon. Add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Now add 1/3 cup of each finely chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. 1/3 cup mint leaves, 1/3 cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Now add salt. Here we need to add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well so that the salt dissolves in water. While salt is dissolving in water, add 5 to 6 green chilies. I'm just breaking the green chilies and adding them. We just need green chilies to release the flavors into water. Now taste water to check salt level. Water should taste like sea water, extremely salty. We have added all the spices, herbs to water and seasoned it with salt so that the rice will be flavorful for biryani. Now slowly add soaked rice. After adding soaked rice, don't mix it. The rice may break. Let rice cook in this water on maximum temperature exactly for 7 minutes to get perfect texture. As you can see, the rice is cooking on maximum temperature. Seven minutes is done. Turn off the stove and transfer the rice into the pot which we are cooking shrimp masala. Rice is 75% done. Transfer rice using a strainer so that we don't add water in the biryani. Layer rice over the masala carefully. Now add remaining mint leaves and coriander leaves on the top. Close the lid. If the lid has a vent hole like this, seal it with cloth. Cook it on high temperature for 5 minutes and low temperature for 20 minutes. Total 25 minutes. Since shrimp cooks quickly, we don't need to dum it for too long period. After 25 minutes, open the lid. As you can see, the rice is cooked perfectly. Look at the color. We haven't added any color to this recipe. We got perfect texture and color. Shrimp is also cooked perfectly. It is not soggy or overcooked. Enjoy this delicious perfectly cooked shrimp biryani as it is or along with raita. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do try this yummy delicious biryani and let us know your feedback in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Thanks for watching.